Hi all. So today we will see how we can download and install IntelliJ in our Windows machine. So in order to do that, so first we will go to Google Chrome, search for IntelliJ, then we will get the option for the download. Okay, IntelliJ download. So click on that. We have two editions, one is ultimate and the other one is community. Ultimate is a paid version and we need the community edition, that is the free version. So we will download the community edition. So the exe is starting to download, so let's wait for some time. Yeah, so it is downloaded. Go to downloads and click on the exe. So the installer will be starting. So if you get any pop-up for the permission, just give yes in that. So here we can select the options. So currently I'm selecting all the options. I'm selecting all the associations over here, and then you click on next. Click on install. So it will take some time to install it. Yeah, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so we can see that it is installed. So we can do a manual restart after installing. So I restarted my machine and we can see that we have the icon in the desktop. Double click on the IntelliJ icon. So the application will be opening. So in order to create one new project, go to file, new, then you select project, and there we can give a name for our project. So it will be opening with a sample code as well. So you can open either in this window or new window. I am selecting for new window. So our new project, the sample project that we are creating, that will be opening in the new window.